undone my swatch. You'll hear some people saying not to reuse this yarn once you've pulled it out because it's changed the integrity of the yarn. But you know what? This right here is a lot of yarn to waste. So I always reuse it. We're going to start with a chain cast on. I'll zoom in. I do have other videos to show you how to do this if you need it a little more close up. Now I make a slip knot. I'm going to start one peg before, and I will end one peg after. And this peg for the entire project will just be used with either a flat stitch or an E-wrap stitch, whatever stitch you are more comfortable with. But okay, we've got the slip knot. You take the working yarn. Let me move it up. You got the slip knot. You take the working yarn, pull through the slip knot. I like to take my little tail, put it in the back just so it is out of my way. Your slip knot still behind the next. Tighten it up, behind the next, tighten it up. Do this all the way around the loom until you are one peg past your last three marked stitches. When you're at your last peg, you just take that loop, put it on the peg, and tighten it up. So there we go.